Lemons offer several health benefits due to their nutritional content. Here are some ways in which lemons can contribute to your health. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. It helps the body fight off infections and boosts collagen production for healthy skin. Lemons contain antioxidants, such as flavonoids, which can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. This may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Lemon juice can aid in digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes and promoting healthy bowel movements. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning is a common practice for this purpose. Some people use lemon water as part of a weight loss regimen. While it's not a magic solution, the combination of hydration, a small number of calories, and potential appetite suppression can contribute to weight management. Lemon water is a refreshing way to increase your daily fluid intake, which is important for overall health. Lemon juice may help prevent the formation of kidney stones due to its citric acid content, which can increase urinary citrate levels and inhibit stone formation. The vitamin C in lemons can contribute to healthier, more radiant skin by promoting collagen production and reducing skin damage from the sun and pollution. Despite their acidic taste, lemons have an alkalizing effect on the body when metabolized, which may help balance the body's pH levels. It's important to note that while lemons can be a healthy addition to your diet, they should not replace a balanced and varied intake of fruits and vegetables. Also, consuming lemon juice in moderation is generally safe, but excessive consumption can lead to dental erosion due to its acidic nature. If you have specific health concerns or conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes.